Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, transferring assets like Shiba Inu, SHIB, from Coinbase Wallet to Binance can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide for 2025, we'll walk through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just move your coins, this will save you time and hassle. First things first, make sure you have both Coinbase Wallet and Binance accounts set up. Start by opening your Coinbase Wallet app or website and logging in. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and find your Shiba Inu holdings. SHIB is typically on the Ethereum network, so double-check that to avoid any transfer issues. Next, head over to Binance. Log into your Binance account and go to the Wallet section. Select Deposit and choose Shiba Inu from the list of cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique deposit address. Copy that address carefully, as even a tiny mistake can send your funds into the void. Now, back in Coinbase Wallet, select the Send or Withdraw option for your SHIB. Paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to check for any network fees. SHIB uses Ethereum, so gas fees might apply. Review everything one last time to ensure it's correct, then hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction confirmation. Keep an eye on it. Once the transfer is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to show up in your Binance wallet, depending on network congestion. While you wait, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track its progress. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network. Stick to ERC20 for SHIB. Be cautious of scams and never share your private keys. If something goes wrong, contact customer support for both platforms right away. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Shiba Inu from Coinbase to Binance in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that portfolio. See you in the next video.